Aqua Powerhead pump here, and a few more odds and ends up there. Just want to say good morning, good afternoon from the cave. Just finished watching my boy Dion0026 talking about his medicine we all should have, and he's totally right. Everybody should have some of that medicine. Matter of fact, let me go see if I got some of that medicine. Everybody should have some of that. Oh, there it is, right there. I think this is what he was talking about. Metroplex. They should also have. Let's just take a look and see what's in their medicine case right now. All right, we got that. We got some Monoloc. We got an extra one of these Metroplex. We got some Ridex. We got some Prime. We got some Vitachem. Got some hand sanitizer. We got some Kent Marine Pro Detox. Alright, we got some algae flakes here. I've been looking for them. We got some Prozzy Pro also, with conjunction with them two, which we use in conjunction with each other, these two. I got some Methylene Blue. And I also got me a little test kit for when I go around to my client's house. Little Fresh Lab here, Red Sea, got everything in it. They test all your nitrates, nitrat, all that stuff. Okay, and that's just my this is just a bag to put some media in. A little piece, and that's that. You know, everybody should have some kind of medicine in their little medicine bin. I agree with him. You never know, being prepared for the unexpected. That is the thing. Got my Epsom salt over there. All that's food. All that's food. Let's see what's in here. That's food. A whole bin of food. And we done moved the Umbies into their 75. What y'all think? I think they look better in that 75. Let me pause that TV for a minute. Okay. That go to male B9 right there. He's in the can we get up on him? I also got meds in there tank. That's the male B9. He out. And the female B9, she comes out every now and then. She behind that rock over there. I can see her reflection in the wall. In the glass. You can see her reflection right off the glass. Okay, that's the female. I really like these Umbies in the 75 too. Give them a lot more room so they can grow. They got their babies in there. Got their other babies right there getting bigger. I had one of my friends, I ain't gonna call them subscribers, they one of my friends. They asked me to, I had a Jack Dempsey. I had a few Jack Dempseys that was like 7 years old, man. And I rehomed one to a 300 gallon. And the other one I had in here passed away not so long ago. Now, he might have seen that Dover over there and thought he was a Jack Dempsey, but yeah, he gone. My buddy gone. And we're gonna do a little feeding video right here. Drop a little bit of this Southern Delight in here. go nuts. They always splash me. They always splash. Just finished doing the water change over there. As you can see, I got my pump running out. And I got my cord running all the way over there on the floor to the zinc. Let's put this back in this proper place here. All my meds running over here. And this is what I'm saying. It's always good to have a backup. Cause my python is leaking that leaking right there. Every time I turn on the water, it's leaking. So I only use it really to put water back in it. But sometimes I get lazy, and like if I got a small tank, I suck the water out with it, or I use that python there. But anyway, this is what I was saying. This is an extra python I had for a while. I had bought it when it was back on sale, and I'm glad I got it because I think I'm gonna be needing it pretty soon here. Brand new, still in the pack. It's good to have extras of everything around. You never know when something gonna go wrong in here. So while we doing this, let's swing my little shrimp net. Got my eggs up here by the light. These are the rest of my brine shrimp that I'm gonna feed to these babies today. Let's see how the Trimix doing while we up here. I had to get them out there because they was eating off, them babies was eating that slime coat off like crazy. He was getting a hole on his side, but they look a lot better now. Yeah, and they still got a couple babies on there eating it. It's just by happens that when I netted them, I netted the babies with them. I couldn't, you know, it was so many babies in there, but they starting to look a lot better though. Then I got my elongators here. They looking beautiful. Still waiting on the spawn from them. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do another water change on them tomorrow morning. And then these beauties down here. I love these fish right here. These like one of my favorite fish. Bacharde. I always had problems saying it, but they got a nice little group in here. And they love it since I done put them rocks in there. They some beautiful fish. And all them babies they got in there is wild. They come out when I feed it. I'm gonna find me a fish that I can mix with these, you know. But I don't know, these two vicious, man. Especially with their babies in there. Maybe I'll just wait till they just grow up. Alright, move right along. Man, this Dovile, man, getting on my nerves. I'll be sitting in my chair, and every 10 minutes I hear a boom. He be hitting the top of the glass. Now, I don't know if he be chasing the bubbles or he be trying to eat these fry. But he be doing something over there. He scared me a couple times. Now, these right here, I ain't got no light on them. Let's see. All the red jewels in the front. Got them sectioned off. You might only see a couple of them. They the red jewels. And I just got them recently. And let's turn the light off. And these are the, which we ain't gonna see. I know we ain't gonna see these. These the Cubans in there. Nope, we ain't gonna see them. But how about let's throw these in here. A couple something to eat. Watch that feed. Them humbies in here getting big too. They get ready to get down on 75 or 90 to this self. I also got some meds in this tank, man. Feed them a little bit. They just greedy. They love food though. And then down here I got my red devils. Got my boy red devils down here. And I got some dope out down there. I also got if I ain't mistaken, that is a Hemochromos fasciatus down there. And I might got a Flaviolis down there. And I ain't got no light on my shrimp tank here. So ain't no use in even trying to see nothing in there. And another one of my big boys. I also got some tilapia from a man. That's a pair right there for sale. This the pair that's up for sale, y'all. Right there. And he a big boy. He pushing every bit of 10 inches. She is about 5. There's another one back there and breeding dress. 2 more right there. Oh, this the glare, this light on the side. That one right there. And he got his female right there with him. Alright, and got a fry tank. I got the oh, we didn't do these. These are the Pyro Trimax. They got their little tank over here. He over there behind the sponge filter. Now he wanna hide. And I just had to set up a few more tanks. Alright. I'm just down here cleaning tanks, man. Everything looking crystal clear to me. Well, as far as it's gonna be for the day anyway. I did a couple videos and then overnight, well, over a period of 3 weeks actually. Man, I've been getting a lot of subscribers. I don't know who out there doing what for me, but I appreciate it. I'm gonna start talking about some of these fish like people do. Somebody suggested I bring some more content to my videos. I'm gonna start with that sump back there, man, and how I hooked it up and how to hook it up. Alright. These were supposed to be going to New Orleans, that whole tank of fish right there. And all them supposed to be going to New Orleans. And here goes her babies. She got a nice size batch there. So if y'all want me to do something, or y'all want me to talk about something, or y'all want to see how I do something, just leave a comment in the, down below. There go the female Bina right there. There she go. That's the female and that's the male. She been digging over in that corner for a while. I ain't sure I want to let them together yet, although they was together when I got them. I just don't want to take no chances. She definitely trying to get over here to him though. I done went way over. All right, everybody, have a marvelous Monday, y'all. Peace.